Important campaign for sure. You're probably referring to Dark is Beautiful. Yeah, I think the time had come for this campaign long back actually, but I'm glad it's happening now. It was started by an organization called Women of Worth, and they reached out to me, and of course I supported it because informally I had been talking about it and all of that, but I didn't think of it as a center stage, like a standalone issue. And I was amazed, in fact. I mean, I was totally shocked sometimes to the degree how much it has affected young women. Of course, you know that because I mean, I'm dark, even though my parents never put that complex in me. You know, all around you see that, even in the industry, in the makeup man or some cinematographer, somebody would come and say, "Can you lighten your skin, please?" Especially if you're playing a middle class or an upper middle class educated character. If you're playing a Dalit or a slum woman or a maid or whatever, then it's fine. But the minute your class rises, you're supposed to look lighter. So, you know, we keep reinforcing stereotypes, and especially in that kind of space. So I'm very glad that this campaign has garnered the kind of attention it has. It has actually made a tangible difference. The regulation body for advertisements, they have really cracked down on some of the ads, and they have formed stricter guidelines that need to be followed, and where you know, this color of the skin is being equated with self-esteem or with success or with finding a job or a lover or whatever, those kind of ads are being banned or stopped. So that's a really good thing. I believe the products, the whitening products, the sale of that has also actually decreased. So I'm happy because I think it's really doing a lot of harm, especially to young girls who are losing their confidence and are feeling or made to feel small and worthless just because of the color of the skin in a country where 90% look like us. You know, it's a bit bizarre.